Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. What about your report status of a mini project? What about your report status? Speak out now. What about your report status?
Going on, sir. It's on 25th, sir, right, sir?
Anybody completed? Anybody completed?
Sir, we have sent, sir. Sarfraz.
Huh? Sarfraj, you have sent.
Yes, sir, to your mail, sir.
Can you share that particular document here? Just I will tell what are the things and all others also will come to know that what to do.
No, sir, because I'm using my mobile phone, sir, and I don't have that on my phone. Sir, I've sent to your mail, sir. You can check and you can present to them, sir.
Means you have when you have sent in mobile means
Sir,
when
before
you
our
have sent a
mini
mail.
project, sorry, before our PBL, I have sent you, sir. I don't know the actual date.
Before PBL you have sent,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell your this one? Just 1 minute.
1BY 19 MCA 58, sir.
1BY
19 MCA 58.
58.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sarfaraj. Just a minute. I'm checking. Project report. ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ ಇರು Yeah, 1 minute. I'll share this, what he has sent. I think you first check Sarfaraj whether that is the only final thing you have sent. Share. Is it correct?
Sir, it's not visible yet, sir.
Not visible.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible, sir. Now visible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This one.
1 minute, just I'm checking with visuality will make it less, then you can understand it. Ultrasonic radar system, a mini project submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirement for the completion of fifth semester of Master of Computer Applications of Visheshwaraya University by Sarfaraj Ahmad under the guidance of Kanal TV. Yeah. First sheet is okay. Everyone, you have to see that second sheet. And don't take this and D and you have to take. Here what you have taken? But your college logo is not there here. Hmm?
So we have to take college
Sarfara,
logo, sir.
college logo is also there, I think.
No, I think, sir, in the
Others,
first page, college logo was not there. So I think.
hey, it's there, it's there.
But if you'll tell me to add, I will add that, sir. No issues.
Yeah, you add it, no, correct, no. You made it logo somewhat small. You add up first the college logo. College is very much important. After
So should
this
I replace that logo from our college logo, sir?
guidance co-guide, you add up here the college logo and below you type BMS Institute of Technology and Management. This in not this and A&D. Department of Master of Computer of Applications. See, this is the alignment is wrong here. This is a problem everyone will do. You are not justified it. You have to justify this particular para. That is very much important. This is to certify that Muhammad Sarfaraj Ahmad and Manish Kumar with the register number so it's correct respectively has successfully completed the fifth semester MCA project titled Your Ultrasonic Radar System as a partial fulfillment of the requirements for the completion of fifth semester of the degree in Master of Computer Applications awarded by Vishesharaya Technological University during the academic year 2020-21. Project guide, co-guide, head of the department. Okay, done. Certificate is okay, but you have to justify like this what you have did here. We Muhammad Sarfaraj Ahmad and Manish Kumar, student of 5th sem MCA, BMS Institute of Technology and Management. This is correct. Yelahanka, Bangalore, bearing USN number so and so respectively, hereby declare that the project entitled has been carried out by me, not by us. Are you listening? Has been
Yes,
carried
sir.
out by us. Why? Because two members are there, no? By us under the supervision of guide Dwarkanath GB and co-guide. Co-guide name is missing. Co-guide Sridevi M. Okay, and submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the completion of fifth semester of the degree of Master of Computer Applications by the Visheshwaraya Technological University during the academic year 2020-21. This report has not been submitted to any other organization, university for any award of degree or a certificate. Good. Acknowledgement. The development of the IoT projects is generally a bit complex and IoT task that could not be achieved without the encouragement of kindly, helpful and supportive people. Here we convey our sincere thanks for them. Okay. We take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the people who had been instrumental in the successful completion of this project. We have management trustee for providing us an opportunity to work and complete the project. So we wish to express our thanks to our principal for his support to the project work. We would like to acknowledge our gratitude to our HOD of Master of Computer Applications, Dr. Aparna K, for her encouragement and support. Without her encouragement and guidance, this project would not have materialized. The guidance and support received from our guides, Professor Dwarkanath G.V. correct, and Professor Sridevi M, who contributed to this project, was vital for the success of the project. We are grateful for their support and help. Okay, not a problem. Content. Hey, with the page number, it should be always. This is wrong here. With the page number always. Content table means you must have the page number. Why? Because seeing the content, you can go directly to that particular page number. So that is another one important thing you must have. Introduction is there, literature survey, introduction to the components, practical implementation, problem faced, okay, present and future scope of the project, conclusion. You changed it, I think, format. We look at the final project references. Maybe this is not, I'm not telling this is wrong, but the headings what you have put, introduction to the components used, practical implementation instead of that methodology, something like that, problems faced. It's not coming correctly. Headings, it's not coming correctly according to me. Where is RSR function, means software requirement specification after introduction? That must be there. Functional requirements you have to explain. Sarfaraj,
Yes, sir.
listening.
Yes, sir.
Where is that? SRS is not there. So instead of design and analysis, you can have the name. If anybody facing problem like sir doing DFD and UML, it will become a problem to us. We will go with the circuit diagram and we'll explain about a circuit and all. If you are feeling like that, then it's okay that you can go with the working methodology. So you can give a title as working methodology and you can go. Then afterwards, you should come with implementation. Problems faced, it's not correct. Implementation means how you deployed the project. So that is okay. And then testing should be there. Their problem faced something like that, whatever is there, you can give, or how you tested, you can give that also. Then afterwards, present and future, no, conclusion and future enhancement you give. That's the title. Yeah, titles are really, it's not correct. Okay. So conclusion, a look at the final project. Okay. So introduction. No, where is abstract? I missed it abstract, I think. So before contents, everyone listening, this is important. Before contents, you put a abstract with keywords. Abstract with keywords, note down. Abstract with keywords. You have to put. For that, page number will not be there. So then afterwards, contents will come. After getting a contents thing, then you have to go with figures and tables. That is important. Figure how many figures are there and how many that means what, serial number, figure name or a number. Then afterwards, which page it is. So that also should be there. Tables and figures if you have used. Then afterwards, you should come with after abstract over introduction. It's right. Now it is correct. Now coming over here, introduction of the project. Just I'll see. No, 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 no. Introduction, it's very, very less. I told no introduction, it should be of minimum 2 pages. Actually, now see, project mentioned above, the main criteria is to monitor a place, and if any object is coming, then detect the object and show the justification is not there. Show the actual distance of the object and the place of the object. In this project, we have used an ultrasonic sensor to detect. So before this, how introduction you should start, I will tell you. What is the IoT projects? How IoT is now. Then afterwards, what actually you are doing, what is the Arduino board and all. So that things you have to tell in an introduction. And then about your sensor, you should tell more. About Arduino boards and all that, you have to tell more. Then what is the security? So that not the problem. See, in the introduction, how, what is the introduction? I will tell you like this, introduction is like this. First, I have to introduce my actors. That is very much important. That is the introduction. If any movie, anything, if you take, introduction is very much important. Introduction of a hero or introduction of a heroine. That I am telling you. In project also, if somebody is reading our project means how the introduction you have to do. First, you have to tell what is the IoT. that this and all. Later on you have to tell what is your project, what you are going to do and all. Later on in your project, who are the actors? Arduino is my hero, like that. Ultrasonic sensor, don't write hero. I'm telling Arduino board, so how it will works and all, so that you have to tell. And then what is the importance of Arduino board, why you have used Arduino board, why not Raspberry Pi you have used. So like that you have to tell. Then what are the other components you have used? Means like sensor is the main thing. So motor and sensor, why you use that, how it will work. You for in your project how it will work. That is very much important. You have to tell. Arduino, don't tell general concepts of Arduino. Why you used Arduino board in your project? What are the characteristics of Arduino which is helping your project? That's why you have used that particular Arduino board. Why you have used ultrasonic sensor is so and so, which will make the distance and all. Why you used ultrasonic sensor? What is the need in your project you have to use? And you have used a motor for rotating the thing. Why you used that? Why only that motor? What is that motor? What is the specification of that particular motor? Why you have used only that motor? So that things you have to tell in detail here. Like that, you have to explain each and every component wise, actor wise, very clearly. And finally, how a customer is going to use that particular thing. So that things you have to tell in an introduction. This is not at all correct. Next, literature survey.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
So sorry to interrupt you.
no, ma, tell.
Sir, as per the syllabus, we have to do 20 to 30 page of report. But when
ನಾನು
we do,
47 ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
sir,
ನಾನು 47 ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು
ಅದೇ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 2 ಪೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಿಂಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ಗೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನೀವು ಫಾಂಟ್, ಅದು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಫಾಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಮನ್ 12 ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಈಚ್ ಫ್ಯಾರಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ 14. ಓಕೆ, ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 0.5 ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದಾನ್ ದಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಇದೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್ ಸರ್ವೆ, the heading should be literature survey only. The idea, no, it's not correct. So literature survey should be there, heading. Then the Army, Navy and Air Force makes use of this technology. The use of such technology has been seen recently in the self-parking car systems launched by. See, when you are making the things like this, especially in a literature survey, I will tell you like this. First, you give your preamble, not on issues, means where your project will be used. And presently, what are the other projects which is resembling your projects? And the running citation is very much important. But running citations always it should be at the end of the para. That means for example, assume in this para I'm telling about some ABC project. The ABC project is having with an Arduino board using ultrasonic only. They are doing this particular means they are finding an object within this particular range. But rotation of the ultrasonic sensor is not there. For example, just I'm telling, not there, like that. So how that particular project is working? Just in one para. Then for that running citation, you have to give here at this stage. So one, next para. For example, XYZ project is having the same resemblance. So XYZ project, what it's going to do, XYZ project, everything you have to give. Then afterwards, so running citation 2, like that you have to give. So not other things you should give. For example, here say Arduino, Raspberry Pi, bone boards. No, these things will not come here. Don't take this. This may come. You can add up in an introduction, not a things. But here in literature survey, it's very clear that what are the similar projects it will come of your idea. Definitely, it will be there. If you search in a Google, for example, using ultrasonic sensor, finding an object, you give in a Google, definitely you will get some projects. So how that projects in a market and all, so that things para wise, para 1, para 2, minimum 5 to 6 similarities you have to tell. That is very much important, not like this. So here only one page is there. Then afterwards, finally, assume here gap. You mention gap. What is gap? Or you can mention the proposed system, not an issue. So in a proposed system, what you have to tell, or in a gap, what you have to tell above all the applications. For example, I tell you above all the applications are having so and so features, but these features is not there in above application, which is there in our proposed project, and this is the gap between the other projects and our project, and our project individually it will stand in the things like that you have to tell. So that is very much important here. So proposed system, now these are all the existing, what you are telling, these are all the existing systems above, and proposed you have to tell what is the extra thing is there in your thing. So that is very much important. So that is a literature survey, right? Coming to next, introduction to the components. No, SRS. Before this, you can specify this one, hardware and software requirements sheet. Just typing like this, hardware, what are the hardwares you have used, what are the softwares you have used, that sheet, hardware and software requirement, that heading. Next, SRS, software requirement specifications. So this is very much important for any project. Why? Because I'm telling you, you differentiate the project. What are the functional requirements and what are the non-functional? In the first SRS, what you have to tell, the proposed project you have to tell. So the proposed project you have to tell, for that functional requirement table input. So functional requirement number 1. So how you are going to solve that functional requirement? Functional requirement 2. How you are going to solve that? Like that, how many functional requirements? Either in table you can put, either otherwise you can do. Not it's left to you. Before that, you can tell how many modules also. If modules is there, you can tell how many modules are there. If it is entire thing is a single module, don't worry about that. Functional requirement 1, functional requirement 2, functional requirement 3, like that, you can tell how many functional requirements is there. But don't tell that login page is a functional requirement. No, login page is not a function. Always students do this mistake. Functional login page is, it's a function, but it's what is a function first you have to do. The function is the one which will be the key role, which should have a key role in your project. For example, I will tell rotating the sensor is one particular function, very much important, especially in this particular project. Otherwise, we can't find the degree of the object where it is coming nearby and all. So then ultrasonic sensor. So why ultrasonic sensor function? What is the function of that? Why they have used that? Ultrasonic sensor is the one which will find the object within a particular distance. So to implement this, we need Arduino. Why Arduino board you need? To make the microcontroller part, that is for controlling the that motor and a sensor we need. Like that, that is device level functional requirements. Then afterwards, you can tell like gateway functional requirements. So, how you are connecting using hotspot, or what you are using internet, either Wi-Fi. Somebody will use a Wi-Fi, somebody will use a GPRS, means ordinary mobile connection, or with GPS SIM, or somebody will use a GPS. It depends on their project. So what the gateway you are using, what are the functional requirements for that gateway, you have to write. Then afterwards, cloud or on a server. So what is the cloud and server functional requirements? Why you need cloud? What is the purpose you need a cloud? Then afterwards, the app. So why you need app? In your project, what is the role of app? Why? What are the functions you are solving in that particular app? So that you have to mention. This things is very much important. So that is that must be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. functional requirements. Then afterwards, non-functional requirements. What is non-functional requirements? For example, cost. Just to mention a cost of the components. So and so you write cost of the components is so and so. Either it's reliable or not. Then integrity, scalability. So these things should be there. How means how frequently you can change your project components. So how it will work, either it's scalable, you can add up a new components to your project and all. This is a non-functional requirements, flexibility to the customer. So that things and all you have to tell in a non-functional requirements. This is entirely wrong thing. So that's the one SRS which you have to do. In functional requirements, you can add up like this, not an issues, 1, 2, 3, like that. This is way of representing is wrong, that's it. Bluetooth model, right, correct, what they have told, what function they are doing and all. Jumper wires, no, jumper wires is not needed, it will become very basic. Next, for example, you will tell, sir, I don't use design and analysis. Why? Because mine is a direct project where I am not using a databases and all. That is not there. If you tell, okay, I will tell you working methodology. You put a heading, not an issues. So, or methodology, you put a heading. So, in a methodology, what should be there? Workflow. This is very much. Here, the circuit diagram. What is it is correct. Here the service diagram, whatever is there, this diagram should be there. So how it is going to work and all, you have to explain clearly. Now this is okay. Connecting the ultrasonics, connecting the Bluetooth, good working methodology. This is correct. Using Arduino IDE, just headings, representation headings should be changed. Problem faced should not be there. It should be included in methodology. Constraints. But in methodology, when you are representing, see, I will tell you what is the problem here. In the methodology, when you are telling the first thing in the methodology should be objective methodology. You tell some about your project and you tell objective goal of your project. Tell heading objective. So after defining an objective, you can tell how you are going to deploy this particular project or develop this particular project with a circuit diagram. This is correct. Later afterwards, this is correct what he has made. So finally, the constraint should be included into the methodology only. That is the one thing. Then afterwards, what is there? No. Then afterwards, implementation part should be there. This is very much important now. The pages will increase now. The implementation part, what you have to do? First, you have to tell what is the deployment procedure. How you deploy the device, how you deploy the cloud. And later on, pseudo code you put. You check the pages. You check the pages. Then you put a pseudo code, means Arduino code, whatever is there. If you did some Android Studio, that code is there. You can put, not a thing, with edits you can put. Then afterwards, after implementation part, then you should come with 1 minute, application in army. Yeah, in implementation you can put this, not a thing. Then afterwards, before conclusion, what you have to put? Testing. If testing is there, you can put. Means if you have did any testing cases and all is there, you can put. Otherwise, not in a compulsory like that. Maybe it depends. Then coming to the next thing is conclusion and a future enhancement. So conclusion and future enhancement, you put it like this. This is correct. So conclusion and future enhancement, how future it will works. Like look at the final project. Maybe you, if you want, you can put in a screenshots. It will come, but not now here. After future enhancement, you must go with the screenshots of your project. Screenshots you can put, not an issues. Right? This output and all. They can put screenshots. They can put. Afterwards, references. But one thing I'll tell you, references is wrong here. How the type they have put our references, this is wrong. References, always you should go with the author and all clearly. You go with your previous students' reports and all, there it is very clearly it has been given. Author should be there beginning. Otherwise, see any books and all. Other Google it. They will tell you. Means first author name like that. How you are going to take. So that type of books. representing a website itself in some format is there. So after references, it will ends the things. Uh, Remaining everything is correct. So this much you have to go through. So I've taken one example and I have told you very clearly. I will stop the sharing here. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Any doubts is there? You can ask me now. Any doubts is there? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. So definitely 30 you have to submit. I have told very clearly before that you can keep on. So 25 I have given, right? 25, 26 is the dates I have given. So that dates you have to submit the this one report 25, 26. 10 days is there and I have told very clearly about all the things. Right. Don't copy and paste. Why? Because no alignments will become a problem there. Almost all if you type, it will become a good thing. Right? So I'll stop recording here. Just 1 minute. Let it be. I'll take attendance. I forgot. Aditya? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಜಯ್
Yes, sir.
ಅಜಯ್
Aditya.
ಅಜಯ್ ಅಜಯ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಮಿತ್
Yes, sir.
ಅಂತಿಮ ಅಂತಿಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಪೂರ್ವ
Present, sir.
ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ
Yes, sir.
ಬಿಂದು
Yes, sir.
ದಿವ್ಯೇಶ್ ದಿವೇಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೌರೀಶ್
Yes, sir.
ಗೌತಮಿ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ
Present, sir.
ಗುಣಶೇಖರ್
Present, sir.
ಹರಿಣಿ
Present, sir.
ಸೂರ್ಯ ಎದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ನಯನಾ
Present, sir.
ನಜ್ಮಾ
Present, sir.
ನಿಧಿ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್
Sir.
ಪ್ರೀತಿ
Present, sir.
ರಾಜೇಶ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಸಹದೇವ್
Present, sir.
ಸಾಕೇತ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಸೀಮಾ
Yes, sir.
ಸಿಂಚನಾ
Present, sir.
ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಶಶಾಂಕ್
Present, sir.
ವರ್ಷ ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ
Present, sir.
ಅಮೃತ
Present, sir.
ಅನುಷಾ
Present, sir.
ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಕೆ
Present, sir.
ಸಾಯಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ್ ಚೇತನ
Present, sir.
ಕಾವ್ಯ ಮಧುಶ್ರೀ ಮನೀಶ್
Present, sir.
ಸರ್ಫರಾಜ್
Yes, sir.
ಮುರುಗೇಶ
Present, sir.
ಮಣಿ ಪರೇಶ್
Present, sir.
ಪರೇಶ್
Present, sir.
Pooja,
Present, sir.
Prashant,
Present, sir.
Pratibha,
Present, sir.
Pratik,
Present, sir.
Sadhana, Shashank,
Present, sir.
Shraddha,
Present, sir.
Sridhar,
Present, sir.
Tanuj,
Present, sir.
Tejaswini,
Present, sir.
Ani,
Present, sir.
Ashish,
Present, sir.
Vidya,
Present, sir.
Vishal, Illa. Okay,
So USN 5, sir.
now you came,
So that time I had some mic issue, sir.
Yeah, I'll give.
15, sir.
Okay, sir.